Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair video. Today I'm showing you this wig I made using hair from UNice hair. I have 4 bundles of their Yaki straight texture. The hair is in 24 inches long. You guys know I love my removable quick weave wigs, so that's what I'm making today. And here I'm showing you the process, but I think by now you guys kind of get the gist, kind of know what to do. And these are my favorite caps to use when I am making my removable quick weave wigs at home. I'll link it down below, but your hair can breathe in these. Once you set the glue, like when the glue dries, there's no lifting. I can wear this in water, I can get it wet, and I don't have to worry about the tracks slipping off or like the wig getting all like weird and sticky tacky. It doesn't do that. So yeah, I'm just gluing the tracks side to side, and then as I get closer to the top, I actually start to curve the tracks into like a U, and then when I get to the top where I'll have my leave out place, I'll either do it like a V shape or a U shape, and it just really depends on how much leave out I want to have out. But I'm doing a V because I don't want too much leave out. I want this to be like as minimal as possible. So that's all we're doing here. And out of the 4 bundles, I used 3 of them. So 3 bundles. You can definitely get away with 3 bundles. So here I'm just sectioning off the hair that I want for my leave out. Not a whole lot of hair. And once I figure out just as much hair I want left out, you guys know I'm not the best braider, so I'm just doing 2 braids, and then I'm going to pin my hair up with the clip, and then we're going to put our V-part wig on. The hair just looks so good already, but here I'm just showing you guys how long it is on me. This is 24 inches. I do want to cut a little bit of it off, so I'm just going in and cutting. I don't know how many inches I cut off, but I'm going for that blunt look, so that's exactly what I did. So I am going to cut the hair, and then I am going to go in with some layers just to give the hair a little bit of shape.
If you ain't close to me, I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes, high hopes.
And the hair is Yaki straight. Blending it is effortless. As you can see, all I did was comb my hair down, and it just blends in amazingly. This is the hair after it's been washed and air dried. So I just love Yaki straight hair. You just can't go wrong with it. So I'm just perfecting my part. Perfecting my part and making sure I am covering everything that needs to be covered. And this is a natural color of the hair. I would normally dye it jet black, but since my jet black hair is like fading a little bit, I just left it because I'm not ready to dye my hair yet. So here I'm just going in with a little more cutting because I just want the layers in the front to kind of even up with my hair basically. So that's all I'm doing, just cutting a little teeny bit more. And this is what we're looking like. I just love it. You can stop here, but I am gonna go in and just kind of bump the ends a little bit just to give it that, 90s flair. Also, this flat iron that I use often is also from UNice and it's years old. So if they still have this flat iron available, I'll link it below. But I love it because it's pink, but I also love it because it actually gets really hot. It goes past 450 degrees, and I love that because sometimes the weave needs that. I feel like it needs like super high heat to lock the curls in, especially when you're dealing with like yaki textures. So all I'm doing is bumping the ends, as you can see, and that's pretty much it. We're going super simple, super easy to manage, and I just love it. So I'll be sure to list all of UNice's hair info in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the hair that I'm wearing. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.